Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to solve the Domino's cube. This looks like a 2 by 2, right? From here it just looks like a 2 by 2 and from here it looks like a Skewb. And look, you can't move it like a 2 by 2. You can move only like this. If you need to move it up down, then these are the moves. They are the dino moves like this, okay? Only like this. So you can do this, you can rotate, you can do this, you can rotate, okay? So they work as per the dino moves. Now let's start figuring it out. We need the white face, so I'll face the white diamond on top. Now one is already done, white with green and orange. So obviously we need a green piece out over here and a white out here. So this is the piece, green with white. So even if it was like this, what I would do is I would rotate and then I would take it up. So sorted. Now this is red, now this is also done, just in case if it was like that. So what I would do is I would rotate my lower layer, I would bring it out here. Now red is close to red and I'll take it up. Okay. The last one needs to be a blue orange with white. So that blue orange with white is here. I'll bring it below and now I'll take it up. So my white face is done. Once my white face is done, I'll put it on the bottom and I'll just match because this is how it was at. This is a good match and this face yellow with respect to orange is completed. Okay, now what do we need over here? A yellow with blue to complete, correct? Now this piece is over here, yellow with blue. So what I'll do is I'll bring it down, I'll bring it to this level, yellow with blue, and I'll take it up. Okay, and this white is flipped. Okay, now we need a red color out here with a green. That red with green is over here, so I'll shift it here and now I'll take it up. So there you go, it has been solved successfully. I'll give it another scramble and I'll show you once again. Okay, so again let's start looking for the white center, the white face. Basically there we are. And okay, so this is a blue with white and red, so I need to look for another blue. So I have another blue and white here. It needs to go here, so that means from here I'll bring it here. I did that. Now I'll take it up. Okay, now this means there's an orange, so another orange with white should be on top. I look for that orange. Here it is, so I will rotate and bring it here, and then I'll take it on top. Okay, now I need a green with white, so I'll rotate and I'll bring it here. Now I'll take it up. Okay, once my white is sorted, I'll put it on top. Now I'll just match. It was like this, I'll match. Okay, so red with green and yellow is sorted. Now we need to have another green and orange piece with yellow. So look for your green and orange. That piece is up here, it's here. So what I'll do is I'll bring it down with my dino move. I'll bring it down. I brought it down. I will bring it here. I brought it here and I put it on top. So I brought it to its color. This one I'll just flip and your cube is solved successfully. So if you like this video, please give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.